Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Florida Panhandle, and today the rain has come through. I actually had a day off from school because we had some very strong winds that blew through the area, and I'm gonna do a little gardening. I just completed my daughter's FAFSA form. It took about an hour or so. Lots of text messaging codes, verification codes, and filling out the new form. It was good. So today, oh, I have a visitor. Hey, baby. How you doing, sweetie? You doing good? Yes, you're such a sweetheart. There goes little Claire. She's being a sweetie pie. You supervising me today? That's good. But I had a little fungi action going on in my yard. So I belong to some forums on Facebook, and I have some great books. This is a stink corn egg, they call it. I know I dug this up out of my yard a couple of videos ago. And then today, down by my mailbox, I found this.
So I know that this is a type of stink corn too, and we have a lot of these in Florida. I don't know if you have a lot of them or not, but the rain was definitely bringing up the mushroom.
All right, y'all, it's mid-January, it's Florida, we're in zone 9. It's time to do some pruning of some English roses and prepping them for the upcoming spring. All right, so you can see here, wow, I've got a lot of buds going on. So, and well, we also have a lot of wind today. Hope the audio turns out good for us. But I have 3 David Austin roses. I have one here, I'm pretty sure. This one is, I left the labels on, Emily Bronte. And she performed really great this year. I have a Munstead rose there, which they're getting ready to no longer have on their website for sale. And the reason why is it's just with climate changing, being super hot and humid, they aren't performing as well this year for them as they would like. They're really prone to fungal disease. I treated quite a few times over the past several months in the summer to keep that down pat. And then over there on the other side, Gentle Hermione. And she performed really well, has a great myrrh scent to it. But we're gonna go ahead and prune these halfway down. And then I'm probably going to go ahead and move the mulch and defoliate anything that might still be on it and put some fresh compost on. So let's get to work. It's also a great time to look for any damaged or diseased stems and taking care of them as well. I am also looking to cut them right above a node, and hopefully that will encourage them to sprout out from there in the spring. Hey, Cece. So even though these roses are blooming right now, my roses need to take a rest. They need to recoup their energies, and I'm going to just go ahead and cut these blossoms off. I'm going to try to prune a few stems near the middle to increase good airflow, help keep those fungal problems down, and of course defoliate. I will go ahead and take off the top layer of soil, and then we will replace it with some fresh soil too. All right, so here is my pro tip for you today. When I'm going to go and put these flowers in water, just make sure you don't have any of the leaves touch the water, because that will introduce bacteria into it and make it so that your flowers don't last as long. Some people even put a couple of drops of bleach in there, and you could probably do that too. I find if I just change the water twice a day, it works out pretty well. And plus, I use filtered water for my flowers, so I think that helps also. All right, then. So Bye, y'all. Until the next video, and I hope you're able to get out and make something beautiful in your world today, too. I thought the bouquet needed a few more roses, so I found some from my yard. Today's featured David Austin rose is Charles Darwin, named after the naturalist. This shrub gets about 4 by 4 feet. It does well up to zone 11, so it's going to do great here. It has 140 petals per flower, and it also has a scent that is a strong tea crossed with lemon. Looking forward to that.